In this episode of Beer Canic's Garage, we review the brand new exhaust on the Audi S3. And there we go, the exhaust in its full glory. If you haven't watched the fabrication episode, it's not going to stay like that. We have a custom diffuser that's going to be built. So, you know, it's not just like that. And it's not a straight pipe either. We still have a sport cut. And if you can see over there, there is a muffler as well, where the resonator used to be. So it's 3 inches all the way. All stainless steel. This tip is actually temporary. There is a titanium one that will come to replace this one, and we'll also relocate the little hanger there because we basically reuse something that was already there, but we will probably have a hanger before the V-bend so that there is no hanger in the way, you know, and it's less to deal with when we actually put our diffuser on. Well, yeah, I mean, if you want to know more about the build, we have a build episode, so we'll put a link in the description or up there in the corner as well. And yeah, I guess let's get it started and see what it sounds like at idle. Then we'll go to a quiet spot and see what pops and bangs and what it sounds like launching and all that good stuff. Let's go get some fuel and listen to the new exhaust. I actually tried to do a POV on the way here, but I fucked up the recording, so. There's nobody, we can even do a quick launch maybe. Messed up the launch control, but you know, it was a soft launch. Even soft launch are exciting though, to be honest. So look, if you try to like use all the gears these things have, you can do like 36 miles per hour in a 40 in 5th gear. And look, cabin noise actually very quiet, you know, it's just the right amount.
of idle for it to just like, you know, pops out, but nice and quiet, nice and discreet. Obviously that's sometimes an annoying way of driving, but you know, sometimes you want to be discreet. At the same time, when you enter, you know, you can drop the gear. And make a bit more noise. Definitely louder on the pops and bang, and you know, even like here we're at 3.5, 4,000 RPM, you know. Oh, I know. But you know, let's go to the petrol station. At least you sort of have lunch from the inside cabin. After this footage, we'll jump back to where we actually did the intro with Lee, where we'll do a launch control, and you can hear it from the outside. The reason this episode is a bit of mix of different locations, and you know, me solo and both of us together, is because that second location we did an episode about. This time there wasn't somebody there learning to drive, but there was a couple of bikers, which were cool, you know, we could repeat. They were there to have a bit of fun as well, because it's quite a bit of road. But obviously when you come to like record an exhaust, having a couple of exhaust, you know, bike exhaust in the background is not great. 15 miles, another 5 miles of fuel burnt. We are not even speeding, okay? All good.
What a noisy bastard! That sounded great. Definitely louder on the launches.
Yeah.
Right, so just while with general driving, it's actually not overbearingly loud, is it?
No, so here we are like in what, dynamic mode. So you know, the car does the usual 5th or 6th gear when you're doing 30-40 miles per hour. No, it's just impressive, you know. Turbo Zentrum on their website, they do put that like those Simon, I think it was Simon or something like that exhaust are very quiet,
Yeah.
for their size. And frankly, I believe them.
Yeah, we can certainly testify that.
Yeah, because without muffler at all, even in like dynamic like that, it was like mega loud.
Yeah.
But now you know, not quite so much. You know, left or right here.
I think right will probably take us back out to Walden Road again, where we were.
So left we go.
Tiptree,
Look,
Rocks,
Gilles cottage.
Yeah.
It's missing a E, but nearly.
It's close enough.
Yeah. So obviously, if we put it like in sport now we are in third.
Yes, it's got a little bit louder, but
Yeah. But even if you're like not, you know, if you don't let go of the throttle and it doesn't pop, it's not too bad.
yeah.
Then sometimes, and even then, you know, it's kind of like, an interesting curve here. I don't think we came through this way.
No, I don't think we did. You must have got
There'll
right
be
there before.
there'll be a spot to test your bloody suspension, isn't it? Hammering down that.
Yeah,
that bit.
definitely.
But yeah, no, you know, it's not. It's ASBO if you want it to be.
Yeah, but also quiet when you want it to be. And
Yeah.
I like that you can just change when you want it. That's really good.
Yeah, you know, on that, you know, it's really from the outside. I mean, we obviously will do an episode. How loud is it? Again, at some point with this.
Oh yeah, with the decibel meter.
Yeah. Otherwise, I'm pretty sure even on the decibel side, you know, we are still on the legal side.
Yeah, yeah, I
At
think so.
idle.
No, it's impressive. Again, for a completely custom-made exhaust, it's I'd say it's really good.
Yeah. And I don't, you know, as much as, you know, sure everybody would love it as loud as, you know, you want to, you know, you still to be like completely ASBO yourself or not really, you know, I still rather not have to pay goddamn fine
Yeah,
or have the police put their nose into my business on having to change an exhaust to like a completely boring exhaust
yeah,
for the sake of having straight pipe all the way, you know.
Yeah.
And
yeah. It's a lot sodding around then.
yeah.
This footage is going to be a bit shaky. I'm trying to keep my arm still. But no, I must say I'm well impressed. So his roads are a bit narrow, aren't they?
Yeah. You know, if you make it do its pop and bang, then, you know, it's definitely louder than it used to be.
Yeah,
But it's just the design, isn't it? It's just like, normally your exhaust basically end up in a box full of material,
yeah,
and then it basically need to fill the box, and then it leaks to the four pipes that give you your stock exhaust design. You know, so it's limiting. You know, and why spend like $1.5 to have the same design? I don't know. Seems a bit like, you know, here you can get to have a custom stuff.
yeah. It looks great as well, doesn't it? And you can tell it's a custom exhaust.
Yeah.
I just by the look of it straight away.
Still, you know, at the moment it's a bit like in your face because the diffuser is not there, so you don't get like
Yeah,
the
yeah.
full effect yet of what the goal is. But we've got aluminium coming for that, so we should be fabricating that soon anyway.
Yeah, excellent.
Right, that's it, guys. You know, so that's where it's at now.
Yeah, that's a really cool mod.
Still a work in progress, but yeah, no, it's definitely going into the right direction.
Yeah,
Yeah, no, really, you know, really enjoying it so far.
yeah. Don't blame you.
Really nice. Bit more loud without being full-blown ASBO all the time.
Yeah,
is,
yeah. Again, you can control it, can't you? So you can be fairly quiet when you
Need to be.
Need to be, yeah. And then yeah, when you crank it open, it's oh yeah, it sounds
Yeah.
sounds impressive. Again, particularly on the launch, which you wouldn't do necessarily around the houses and stuff anyway.
Yeah.
But those launches just sounded even better.
Yeah,
Again, they
but
sounded impressive to begin
I've only
with.
heard it from the inside, so
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to hear the footage as well and see it.
Yeah, yeah.
And hopefully that little camera will be attached to the exhaust still captures some stuff. Also this one, if I remember well, those cheap GoPros, sometimes the sound That's where they
Yeah,
struggle.
yeah.
They're like, oh, it's too loud, I can't hear that no more.
Yeah. Yeah, it sort of disappears, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well, that's the stuff, you know, we had our friend Solo Lap. Go check him out. He does some cool stuff. He's got a kick-ass Renault Spider.
Yeah.
And
Cool.
Ace guy is doing, you know, and he was talking to me on Instagram because he's actually doing tests around microphone.
Okay.
Because obviously we are discussing, you know, the wind situation. Like today
Yeah,
we had
yeah.
so much wind again. You know, and basically was talking about the, I think Cobb or Cone, isn't it?
On the cone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wireless Go microphone.
Okay.
Because I wonder how well they will do for like exhaust and stuff, because their sensitivity is
Yeah,
up to
true.
100 decibel.
Yeah.
So I think it'll be very good for us talking.
Yeah, yeah.
But I think for like, because exhaust is really hard
Mm.
to make come through a video. You know, it's, I don't know. I wonder if there is microphone.
Yeah, I was just thinking, I've got quite a good I've got a good quality microphone for recording, but then again, it's
Studio one.
it's made more for studio. Yeah.
Yeah, but I wonder if there is microphone specially dedicated to actually recording
That's a good point.
car
actually.
sound and stuff like that. I mean, at this stage
Hmm.
in society, you would think they have specialized.
Yeah, true. I'll have
Mic.
to look into it. Or if you know anything, then
Yeah,
leave a comment.
let us know. But we'll definitely get, I think, some of those wireless Go at some point.
Yeah, that'd be
Because they're good, you know, just for the chatting, it'll be nice.
Hmm.
And here they're starting to be a bit cheaper because they've got like wireless Go 2.
cool. Well, I got you.
So now the first one are getting easier, but at least, you know, have a couple of stuff on us, so at least the voice is always clear.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Yeah, I mean, always clear, you know, I'm still going to have my accent. That's always going to be as clear as it can be, but clearer at least.
Yeah.
But yeah, anyway, you know, let us know what you think. You know, was it blasphemy and sacrilege to chop off those quad pipe? You
I do
know?
think the quad exhaust look cool, but I must admit that just looks great.
Yeah, I mean, I love the look of a quad exhaust as well. You know, I prefer the quad exhaust of the S3 to the oval of the RS3 originally
agreed.
anyway. But the goal was always to do something quite different with the car.
Yeah.
Not, you know, obviously there will always be bolt-on and stuff like that because there is no need to reinvent the wheels
Yeah.
when
Agreed.
there is no need. Only going custom was actually cheaper than
Yeah, blimey.
aftermarket crap anyway.
Yeah, quite considerably cheaper as well.
Yeah. So, you know. But yeah, no. A lot more coming as well. A lot more coming.
Yeah, let's keep watching.
That's right. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, just do.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
Again, drop us a comment.
And yeah, share it with your friend, you know. Get us up there so then, you know, we can like, I don't know.
We can afford to do a lot more.
That's right. We can afford a garage that can fit more than the MX-5.
Yeah. Just something with some power would be nice.
Yeah. Anyway,
Okay,
guys.
cool, yeah. See you in the next one then.
See you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye.